These are the things you should consider when choosing the right robot kit. Watch the video for detailed insights. The kit should come with clear instructions in a booklet or an app. Look for products with a step-by-step guide to building and programming the robot. We favor options that include both building and programming, so children will not get bored easily. While some robot kits include a pre-made robot and a programming platform, others walk you through building a car, a tank, a humanoid bot,
My name is Bernie.
a spider, and whatnot. Most robots use a block-based programming language that helps users learn basic concepts just by dragging boxes around a screen. Look for simpler blocks for younger kids and more complex for teens. The best kit will challenge your kid to build and program in an open-ended way. This means they can build some example robots, plus their own designs. Robot kits for beginners can cost anywhere between $20 and $500, depending on the complexity, number of sensors, motors and building blocks available. We think that paying something between $85 and $300 should get you all of the ideal features in a robotics kit for beginners.
Decisions.
To avoid waiting and frustrations, everything needed to build and program the robot should be contained in the box. In most cases you will need to have your own tablet, phone, or computer. Subscribe to watch the following episodes, where we review popular robot kits for beginners, and suggest examples to check out.